look at question 16. So we've got a graph given to us. We've got the exponential graph here of y equals e to the 2 minus x. We also have a tangent line drawn in. We're wanting to find this shaded area, and we've been given this coordinate on the line of 1e. So to start with, when we're talking about our tangents, it's obviously going to be related to our derivatives, so we're going to need to know more about this tangent line. Now we can find the equation of the tangent by finding the derivative and then finding the gradient at that point and solving. So we've got our y equals e to the 2 minus x, so we can find the derivative of that. So we'd be bringing down that negative 1, and so we would get negative e to the 2 minus x as our derivative. We can then substitute in that x equals 1. So at 1, that's going to be negative e to the 2 take 1. So negative e to the 1. So the answer would just be negative e for our gradient at that point. That means that is our m in our y equals mx plus c. We then also have the coordinate on the line of 1e that we can use to solve for the c. So we know that the gradient is negative e, we know that the x is 1, we know that the y is e. So we're going to write e is equal to negative e times 1 plus c. So we get negative e plus c is equal to e. So our c must be equal to 2e. We now have that equation for that line. We also know that this is our y-intercept, so that's going to be 2e there. And we need to know what this value here is, which is our x-intercept. So we can write our equation of our line as negative ex plus 2e, and we want to know when our y is equal to 0, what the x value is. So we do 0 is equal to negative ex plus 2e. So we can take that negative ex over. That's going to be equal to 2e. So that means that our x must be equal to, sorry, I made that 2e there, sorry, not 2x. So then by dividing both sides by e, our x must be equal to 2. I also should have made that a positive there. So going back to this line up here, taking that over, it became positive ex is equal to 2e. And then dividing both sides by e, we get x is equal to 2. So we now know up here that our x value is 2. So we're working out this area of this triangle. It has a base of 2. It has a height of 2e. So our area is equal to a half of base times height, a half of 2 times 2e. So our answer is just 2e units squared for our area there. So a few little things you had to bring together to work that one out.